Go.
Hey there, SL-13377, Dawn Bright here. Today we're going to talk about how to make your Kylo Ren inner tunic. So, what we have here is, if anyone has seen my pattern design, it's very simple. When you measure, you're going to measure around your belly. That's going to give you the full length. Just use one of these tape measures. So you're going to measure here, and that's going to be this part. You're going to basically break it into the threes, so that would be across the back. The skirt you're going to need to make in a belt shape. So once you start actually making your pattern and cutting it out, so you can see here I have already sewn some of it. See, this is the straight line right here across the inside of the pattern, and that would reflect that one or that one. They're basically identical. Then the back one is this one right here, where you have, once again, the long piece across the back and the top. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a flat piece of material and you're going to start pleating. Every single time you make a single pleat, you're going to iron it, and then you're going to fix it to your base pattern, and then you're going to sew it. See, every single one going up, up, up. It should take you about 10 yards of material. Once you have completely finished with that entire piece, you're going to make the edge straight, and then you're going to sew a piece of piping to it. So you can either go with this generic bias tape in black, which this is the piping. Screen accurate piping has a little bit more of like a jersey look to it, but I find that this works just fine. It's a nice tight weave, and you're gonna sew it this direction into it, because what you're gonna do is when you're all done, you're going to fold over this edge. You're going to use some bias tape, extra wide double fold. I want you to sew it to this part in here, fold in, and then I want you to glue it right here to keep it formed. So the places where the piping belongs is, there's two pieces right here on the front. So when these two pieces meet right here, you'll have these two pieces of piping meeting directly along the front. There is also piping running around the entirety of the shoulder, only one piece. There is one piece of piping that runs from right here at this top edge all the way down to the bottom. One place where there is not piping is there appears to be none running along the bottom. The last place where there is piping is there's one piece that runs around your entirety of your neck. So that's where your piping is going to go. And then once you're done affixing the piping, the last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to need a zipper, one that opens. So then what you're going to do is you're going to, probably before you glue that part down, is sew the zipper to the inner part of this, then fold it over into your glowing, so that you can, and the zipper should go to approximately your belly button, and then pop open in the front. That's it. Pretty simple. Have a wonderful day.